14, then we have
okay.
to subtract.
Subtract. 12 and 14 is 26. Plus third side. Third
Is
side equal to 36. So third side equal to 36 minus 26 equal to 10 centimeter. Are you writing this?
Ma'am, we already right. We already wrote. Ma'am, for the 16th question, like, should we do it in the notes or in the workbook? Sorry, workbook, like textbook.
You can do it in the textbook itself.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not simply adding, okay. It is a square. It's a square because 25, 25, 25, 25. So it is 4 into 25 like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is, this is a, okay, I will explain that also. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, find the cost of fencing a square park. Find the cost of fencing a square park. Fencing a square park means, fencing means you always want to find the perimeter. This is the 13th question. Perimeter equal to perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into length plus breadth is, not 2 into L plus 1 minute, it is a square park. So, perimeter is 4 into side. Okay, so 4 into 250. How much?
1,000.
1000 meter. And we have to find the cost of it. Cost equal to 1000 into rupees 4. Rupees 20. 1000 into rupees 20. So, yes?
20,000.
20,000. Rupees. Rupees. 20,000 rupees. Okay, now 14th question.
Mm.
14th question. Okay, children, shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're muted.
This was your homework. I saw some are writing now.
Ma'am.
Not doing the homework properly, children.
Ma'am, I did the homework.
Yes, I know. Very less children. Very less children. What happened? Today itself, now itself, you send to my personal number, all of you.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay,
So after this class, so 2 into L plus B, that is cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth is 125 meter and perimeter equal to 2 into 175 plus 125 equal to 2 into 300. Is it 600?
Yes, ma'am.
600 meter, but we have to find the cost of fencing. Cost equal to 600 into
600
into how much?
12.
Rupees 12. So 76, 72. Is it 7,200 rupees?
Yeah, yes. Yes, ma'am.
7,200. I hope you have finished it. All
Yes.
of you? Anthony,
Yes, ma'am.
Anna, Nihal,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashish, Ameya, shall I rep children? Shall I
Yes,
raise it?
ma'am. Yes,
Ashish,
ma'am.
Unni, Siyan?
Ma'am.
Anybody
Yes,
wants?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is 15th question and it is a very important question. Okay, 15th. I think I did not give this as a homework.
Yes, ma'am.
This I gave.
Yes, ma'am. You just discussed it how to do and you
Okay.
gave.
So there are two children. One is Sweetie and other is Bulbul. Okay. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Okay. And Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. Sweetie runs around a square park. Okay. And
Okay.
we have to find the perimeter of both. One is square park and one other is rectangular park.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
CT runs around a square park. So perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. How much? What is the formula? 4
Ma'am,
into side.
4 into
4
side.
into
Side. Equal to 4 into 75. So, is it 300? 300 meter. And next one is Bulbuls. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. So perimeter of a rectangle.
2 into L plus
Rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. Equal to 2 into 2 into how much?
100. Ma'am, 6
60 plus 45
plus 45.
equal to 2 into 105.
105.
105.
5.
So it is
210.
210 meter. Okay. Who runs more distance?
Ma'am, sweetie.
Sweetie. Okay. Sweetie runs more distance. How much more?
90 more.
90 meter.
Okay.
90
More,
meter.
more distance. And how much more means? The
90 meter.
distance equal to 300 minus 210
10.
equal to 90 meter.
90 meter. Ma'am, should we write who covered less distance?
Who covered less distance?
Ma'am, because
It is more distance, less distance. Okay. Who covered less distance, right? That
Yes,
was the
ma'am.
question. Okay. So who covered less distance?
Bulbul.
Bulbul.
Okay. So Bulbul covered less distance. And the distance is same. Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
300 minus 210. 90 less. Devika, what happened? You were not there in some days.
Ma'am, my grandmother is in ICU.
Grandmother?
It's in ICU, Kottayam.
Why?
Yes,
What
ma'am. Like,
happened?
ma'am, heart attack.
Is she okay now?
No, ma'am, now also she didn't come. My mother, both the sisters are there.
Okay. Now you are in some other house.
Yes, my neighbor's house.
Small one, where is she, Prarthana?
She also went.
She?
She went with my mother.
So Malavika is there with you?
No, ma'am, I'm alone.
Oh. Okay. Okay, children. So what is the perimeter of each of the following figures? Here, what happens is, in this particular question, so question number 16 I am discussing, question number 16. Okay, question number 16, it does not given that any square rectangle shape is not mentioned. Huh? But how can you understand from that?
Ma'am,
Seeing the
because
measurement, you can understand.
yes, ma'am.
So what is the first one? Sometimes a question it will not be given that it is a square, it is a rectangle. Find the perimeter of each of the following figure only will be given. But you have to identify from the measurement. First one is 25, 25, 25, 25. So what is that?
Square.
It is a square. Okay. So how will you find 4 into 25? You have to find. And the next one is, will you find the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Right in the textbook itself. Next one is 30, 20, 30, 20. What is that?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So that formula is 2 into L plus B. So that is 2 into 30 plus 20. 2 into 50. 100. Very easy to find. And this one also. 40, 10, 40, 10.
Rectangle.
So that also 2 into L plus B you have to find. From the measurement you should understand. And children, this one, last one.
Ma'am, everyone is 100.
Everyone is 100?
Yes,
Yes. Very good. So what do you infer from the answers?
Ma'am, all the shapes have a perimeter 100.
Okay. Perimeter 100. And this one is, it is an isosceles triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Isosceles. How did you understand? This is 30, this is 30, and this is 40. So 30 plus
Two
30
sides
plus
are
40.
Two sides are equal.
So that also 100. Good. So all the figures, even though it is different shapes, its perimeter, measurements are different, but the perimeter is same. Okay. If the perimeter is same, if it is 100 centimeter long wire, 100 centimeter long wire, we can make different shapes. That also you can infer from the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Like this. All the perimeters is 100 centimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
100 centimeter is a 1 meter wire. 1 meter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So we have a 1 meter wire with us. We can
Yes,
make
ma'am.
different shapes of different perimeter, different measurements.
Yes, ma'am.
That also we can infer because only we have 100 centimeter, that is a 1 meter wire. We can make a square, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
We can make a rectangle like this.
Yes,
Second one more rectangle like this.
ma'am. Isosceles triangle.
Then isosceles triangle also. Again, we can make some more rectangles.
Yes, ma'am.
Some more rectangles. Okay. So when you bend it, you can make some more rectangles in a different way. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
ma'am.
here 17, I am discussing all the questions, children. And you just write the form homework and send to my personal number.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the others can be write in the textbook or question answer should be write in the notebook later.
This one, 16. 16, the textbook itself.
Okay, ma'am.
17 also. Just see. Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs. Means tiles are there. How many are there? 9. 9. And first and each side is, it is square tiles.
Yes,
Square
ma'am.
tiles. And each side is half meter. Tiles, each side is half meter. And first what happens is, he makes a square shape. We have to find the perimeter of that square shape like this. 9 square tiles, each with half, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you find the perimeter of it?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times half?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4.
What is the side?
Ma'am, side is half meter. Ma'am, it has 8 tiles.
8 tiles?
Ma'am, 6.
6 tiles?
Ma'am, 10.
9 tiles.
9 tiles. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tiles.
Ma'am,
Isn't it?
3 into 3, right? 3 into 3 like that only.
How will you find?
Ma'am,
How will you
I did like the first row is 3 and in the corners like are 3.
Like
So 3
the-
into 3 we'll get 9.
9 tiles, okay. 9 tiles, okay. I understood. But what is the perimeter?
Ma'am, should be okay, ma'am.
You add, no problem. Somehow you find it.
3.
Okay. That you can find. Later you can find. Okay.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
there is another figure like this.
Ma'am, like a plus.
Like a place. Correct. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So half into half. Either you add or you multiply as you like.
6.
3
3 into 4. Ma'am, 6. 12. Ma'am, 6.
Okay. No, telling the answer now. You can find it later. This textbook page number 213, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Textbook page number 2.
didn't draw.
Yes. 1/2 year, 1/2 year. That you can draw. No problem. You understood the idea, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So 213, this figure. Find out the answer as you like. Sometimes there are some more questions also. B, C, D. Which has greater perimeter. Shari does not like this arrangement. He gets him to lay them out like a cross. What is the perimeter of this arrangement? Which has the greater perimeter. getting an even greater prime number. Can you find a way of doing this? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So there are some
Okay,
more
ma'am.
questions that you can do. I have given some basic things. You try to do it. Some questions are there. Now, which is the next one? Next homework?
My next homework was find the areas of rectangles whose sides are, ma'am, from page number 219.
Yes. Find the areas of a rectangle whose sides are?
3 cm and 4 cm, 12 meter and
Yes,
centimeter.
this one. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, only one.
And 1 and 2.
1 and 2, 1 and 2. What about these all questions? Did we do that?
Ma'am, 3 we did in the class first.
3 we did in the class. Okay. 1 and 2. Only 1 and 2 was the homework.
Ma'am, it was
Find-
1, 2 and 4, right?
Oh,
Ma'am, it was 1, 2 and 4, I think.
let us find it. 1 minute. I'll discuss the questions. How much within the time I'll discuss the questions. Okay. Now, find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are. First one, A, 3 and 4. What is the answer? 3 into 4, right?
Yes,
12
ma'am.
centimeter, square centimeter.
12.
Area.
Okay, ma'am.
B, 120, 12 and 21. So, 12 into 21 equal to 12 plus 24. Is it 252 children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got?
252.
Yes. 252 square meter. Next one is 2 kilometer into 3 kilometer equal to 6 square kilometer.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 2 meter and 70 centimeter. That is a important question. 2 meter and 70 centimeters. So length equal to 2 meter. But the units are different. 70
Ma'am, just
centimeter.
meter and centimeter.
Centimeter to centimeter is very easy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 200 centimeter. So area equal to 200 into 70. 14000.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is equal to 140 meter.
Square centimeter and 140 meter. Square meter, because 14,000 divided by 100, you will get that much meter. 140 meter.
Ma'am, in decimals, we studied like point to the
Okay,
left side.
Yes.
Ma'am, third question we did in the notes, like in the class.
Second question we did not do, right?
Second and first you gave us homework, but third question we did in the class.
Class. Fourth one,
No, ma'am.
fifth one, sixth, seventh, eighth, nothing we did, right?
No, ma'am.
I
Okay.
wrote the 4th one.
Okay, you wrote, no problem. After this, we will finish our chapters and we will move to ratio. Ratio and proportion. Okay. So, I hope tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we can finish it.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I rep?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, second question, A. So all squares, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
10 centimeters. So area equal to 10 into 10. 100 square centimeter. B, 14 centimeter. So area equal to 14 into 14, 196 square centimeter. Now B, area equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25 square meter. Third one we did in the class. 3 rectangles. We have drawn 3 rectangles and we found which one is the third one has the larger area, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Third one has the larger.
Larger. Second one?
Has the
Second one?
smallest.
Smallest. Okay. Okay, so after this class, you send me the homeworks to my number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Another Krishnan, why you are keeping quiet today? Sri Rudra,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Cut your hair. Did you cut your hair?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Devaganga, Harriet, how are you? Brisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall I wind up now? Now we will do the remaining questions. Day after tomorrow, we have 2 periods, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
Thursday, do we have 2 periods? Yes. Thursday, we have 2 periods,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we will finish the chapter. And if possible, I'll start a new lesson. Okay. Shall we wind up now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Have
ma'am.
a good day, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.